G'day! In today's video I'm having a look at the DualSense 5 controller, and this particular model is ZCT1W. And the issue that I've got with there is I've just done a joystick replacement on the right analog stick, and from there I've gone to rewire it and I realised I didn't take any photos and I've confused the hell out of myself. I've just tore apart another one to find out for sure. I can see yellow, I can see red, black, green I'm assuming. If I have a quick look at this one to confirm, we should have yellow, green, red, black. And over here we have red, black, green, yellow. Hope that might help you. Probably help me again when I tear one of these apart. Anyway, that will do. Bye.